Hi guys, this is Alice from Cackle Contacts, where we review the latest devices and the buzz around it. In this video, we will be unboxing and reviewing Poly Studio P21, the new all-in-one monitor for your personal meetings. So, let's get started. First, let's take a look at a few key features of the Poly Studio P21. It is a 21-inch display with built-in speakerphones and a full HD camera with full-time zoom. If you're setting this up for the first time, it is recommended that you download the Poly Lens app and the DisplayLink drivers, ensuring that it will be the smoothest experience. Check out the link in the description below. Poly has an integrated privacy shutter, ensuring you are in control of your video. This monitor also has a built-in adjustable ambient lighting, so you know when you're taking your video calls, you'll be looking good. For easy control, there are touch buttons to adjust the volume or mute the microphone. I personally think the coolest feature the Studio P21 has is the wireless charging base integrated into the monitor stand. I'm currently using the P21 camera microphone, so this is what I look and sound like, and what you can expect in terms of audio and video quality. I can adjust the vanity lighting here, but it will work much better if you're in a poorer lit room. Now I'll switch to a standard laptop so you can see a comparison of the two. I've now switched onto an HP EliteBook G7, and this is what I look and sound like using the laptop's built-in camera and microphone. As you can see, the P21 is better overall. If you want better video meeting quality all while using your own laptop, the Poly Studio P21 all-in-one monitor is the perfect addition to your setup. So, if you like what you saw in the video, product link is in the description below to get your hands on one today. Please like and subscribe if you would like to see more videos coming from us in the future. Bye!